going to put every single thing in the dishwasher. And by the way, welcome back to Dog Bros. I just changed the name. I think it's nice. And so we haven't really did anything much just yet, but we're gonna be filming a music video, actually. A music video for the dogs. It's gonna be good. I mean, like, we are gonna be doing the song, but they're gonna be doing the dancing, and it's gonna be real cool. And this is just a water bottle, so I'll just leave that there. But I have to empty out all the water, so okay. There's one gone. And this one has nothing in it, so that's good. And that fell. So we're just gonna put those in the press. Can't really put the wine glass in because it's really, really delicate. And it is satisfying scrub. I think it's really satisfying. And we need to push this all in. I'll be back in 2 seconds. Okay, so it's all done. And I'll be back in a second. Alright, so now we need to put one of these in the dishwasher. Okay, so I think you have to put it in there or here. No, it's definitely there. Right there. So, put that in. Close it. Do that. Oh. I'll be back when it does. Okay, so my mommy got it in for me, so it's all good. And now we need to push it in. It's only half load, so I'll press that button. I'll press start. Oh. Okay, back in 2 seconds. Okay, so now we have to press start. And now it's on. Okay, so now we're gonna put all of these in there. There's one. All the cloths. And we'll throw that one in for good look. And also we need to put that in so it's like that. And then we can wash this out. I think I might leave it there just in case we need to water the plants or something. Okay, and now we have to get the wine glass. And we wash that. Okay. Get some of this. Open sesame. Stop that. The dish soap in. Close it. There. And then filling it up, filling it out, filling it up again, filling it out, wash the bottom, filling it up, pouring it out, and then we just put it there. Get all the really wet stuff there, and then we get some tissues. You can just put that down, wipe all there. Because it's wet, and sometimes just fish style, you just wipe in the sink. so there's no excess wet. Okay, that looks really clean. Now we just need the plug for the drain and the wind. Plug that in and we're all good to go. I'm gonna do this. Yes. So, now we need to So now it's all done. It looks really good. All that and that. And nice stuff. Really good. Good. Okay, so now we need to put all so that's the finished results. Looks great. So now let me see what's next. This is definitely next. I'll see you people on Earth. And here are the dog boys with the ice cream cones. I'll see you guys. Goodbye.